Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up local delivery for your Shopify store. So this is useful if you want nearby customers to have the option of receiving their orders directly from your store. The setup is very simple here, so let's go through it step by step. So first, I want you to open your Shopify admin and look at the bottom left corner of the page. Click settings to open your store settings, and from the menu on the left, select shipping and delivery. So this is where Shopify lets you manage the different ways customers can receive their orders. Once you're on the shipping and delivery page, scroll down until you reach additional delivery methods. So here you should see local delivery. Click on it to begin setting up this option for your store. So from here, enable local delivery for the location you want to use. Make sure you select the correct location because this is where your local orders will be delivered from. After that, you can set the delivery area that you want to cover. So for the delivery zone, choose the area where you're willing to deliver orders, depending on the available settings. This can be based on a certain distance from your location or specific postal code or zip codes. Enter the area carefully so customers outside your delivery range won't be given the local delivery option. And once everything is configured the way you want it, review the settings and click Save to apply your changes. Your local delivery option should now be ready for customers who are within the delivery area you selected. And if you need more options for managing local deliveries, you can also explore third-party apps from the Shopify App Store for additional delivery tools. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.